Can you see how cool this is? This is called the Morpheus. So yeah, it has this really amazing architecture. From the distance, it's like really kind of warpy and crazy. But I'm up pretty close right here. Here I am right here. And I guess you can see that hole in it. So I don't know what it looks like inside. I have no idea. And now that I'm here, I have no idea how to cross that road. I ran across the median, which I'm not supposed to do, but they don't really have anything set up. There's a crosswalk here. He's like, I can take that one. So we're gonna go inside at Morpheus in a minute. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is Wind Palace School of International School, and then MUS, which is and then we're gonna be going to this building right here. This is called Morpheus, and a little bit harder to see. If I can try to get over there near the schools, and you can look up at this one. It'll look pretty cool. Can you see how cool this is? This is called the Morpheus. So yeah, it has this really amazing architecture. From the distance, it's like really kind of warpy and crazy. But I'm up pretty close right here. Here I am right here. And I guess you can see that hole in it. So I don't know what it looks like inside. I have no idea. And now that I'm here, I have no idea how to cross that road. I ran across the median, which I'm not supposed to do, but they don't really have anything set up. There's a crosswalk here. He's like, I can take that one. So we're gonna go inside at Morpheus in a minute. Okay, so we're just about in it. I don't know what it is exactly. It's not a casino, but it's like amazing architectural piece, but I don't know exactly what to expect. And we're also going to be looking at tourists. So if you see any tourists, let me know. I don't think there are any, but we'll find out. Things are still basically closed. It's March 4 today when I'm filming this on a Monday. Let's go find out in a minute. You can kind of see the inside. It's like maybe a hotel. We're gonna go check it out and see. Hello. So, okay, let's just check it out. Okay. So it looks like it's basically a hotel, I think. I don't know if you can go up there or not. But yeah, so that's where we can see from. So there's kind of a centerpiece, and I guess it's this glass. So I guess if you did go up, you would just basically go up these ones. Let's examine this more closely. So you just basically go up and down these kind of space-looking elevators, like this. Here comes one now. And all the way up, you'd have views all the way up there. And then I guess coming up this elevator, you would see this amazing thing. So, okay. So I think it's more of, oh, it is a casino, Morpheus Casino, okay. Yeah, it's a casino. Okay, I didn't realize it was. So let's just take a look and see. There should be no, there's the floor right there. I guess we're gonna keep walking. So, okay. So the people that are walking, I would have said like a couple of days ago that they would all be people that live here. If you see any foreigners, they all live here because none of them are allowed to come and go. So, but there are some tourists, I guess, these days. So I guess we're just gonna go down this corridor and see what else is here. Okay. So I see something straight ahead. Got these kind of cool stuff up there. Yeah, I think tourists are coming in. I see more of them. That person just left the. So, okay. And that's the casino grounds right there, but we can't go in. There is an elevator here. I don't know what's up there. VIP clubs. So VIP for gambling as well. I just want to film, so if I go in there, it's pointless. Tasting room. So I guess basically the main thing of this Morpheus was the outdoor part, and then this right here just kind of goes into similar designs. And Dragon Palace. Okay. I think we're going to enter right into something different now. So I think this one, Morpheus, goes into, well, there's Grand Hyatt. So I think it's basically just built right into something different. And the Morpheus is kind of the big architectural design, the architectural highlight. And I know a lot of people haven't been inside these casinos in Macau, but they want to see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This one oh, City of Dreams, okay. So it looks like you can see those bubbles up there. So there's, so we're basically walking in the City of Dreams now, which is what I thought. City of Dreams, a lot of people aren't really sure what it looks like inside a lot of these. A lot of them kind of have like a shopping mall feel. So you got some restaurants. And as you can tell, there's no tourists. There's no tourists right now. I heard that the border is kind of open, but I saw some at the border, but I'm not really sure exactly the situation. Anyways, we're walking in the City of Dreams right now. So this is called Morpheus and City of Dreams Casino. This one's always been here for the longest time. So looks like we're gonna keep walking into this, and usually I always see tons of little kids all around here, all kind of marveling at this dragon up here and this little ball. So you can see it changes colors too. And then there's a casino entrance here, which I won't go into. And this might be the end of it. So, oh, okay. Let's see. Maybe it's not. Okay, it just goes into more shopping, so. Okay, yeah, this shopping just goes on for a while. But yeah, this is pretty typical. Okay, and then you go here, there's Dancing Water Theater, and if you were to go that way, you'd exit out onto the street, or you'd go down this way. Basically, it goes down into shopping malls for a while, and then it goes into a different kind of shopping mall. And then, so that's basically what it looks like. So people that are curious what it looks like, that's basically it. So I'm gonna come out of this kind of shopping mall-ish place, just so I can get little bearings on where we are, because once you get into these casinos, they kind of fall into their own little world, right? But you can see, like, yeah, Prada, Saint Laurent, more Prada, Cartier, lots of shopping mall stuff. So yeah, that's basically what it looks like. And across the street is Venetian. So yeah, that's basically. So we went into Morpheus and we came out of this one, City of Dreams. So this is City of Dreams, and across the street is Venetian. So that's basically what it looks like. Way in the distance is Taipa. There's a sign for City of Dreams right there. So yeah, you got this giant, massive billboard. Okay, COD. COD is City of Dreams. So this is what City of Dreams looks like. And City of Dreams is connected to Morpheus, and Morpheus was right over there. So we went in that building and we came out over here. And if we want to see more casino stuff, there's plenty more around here. There's Venetian, of course, Parisian with the Eiffel Tower, and you can kind of walk through some of this stuff. So I guess maybe we're at the end.